welcome to Crafting with Ty and Friends. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put together the Hershey clutch purse. The first thing you want to do, you need is, of course, the template, designed and printed. You can either print it using Publisher, Words, whatever template you purchase, whatever format, or you can just print out the template blank, and you can use pattern paper, trace your template on it, cut it out, and you can make these clutches. So I already have my clutch first designed and printed and cut. And I have my Hershey Bar here. And then I have a piece of wrapping paper, I guess. I got this from the Dollar General. It came on a roll. You see, it's basically double-sided, so I can use this side or the red side. And I have my Hershey Bar. I have a link chain. I got these from Walmart. It came 100 inches, and then I just cut it. This is cut at 11 inches. You can cut it at 15 inches, 20 inches, whatever length you need. I just cut it at 11 inches. I didn't have much left from my last order I did. I have my tape runner, and I have my hot glue gun set on the low setting since we will be using it on paper. So the first thing you want to do is wrap your Hershey in your wrapping paper or your foil, whatever you're using. I cut this foil at 7 and about 5.5 inches. This is where I'm going to take my tape runner and just run it on each edge. So I can fold this in like this. And you're basically wrapping it like a gift. So punch those in to give it that. I'm going to take my tape runner and run it under here so this can be taped down. And then we'll do the same thing to the other side. Take your tape runner. This will not mess up the wrapping of your Hershey Bar. You can still see some of my Hershey Bar here. That's fine, because once we wrap it, it'll be good. So you're going to take your template, and what I do is I take my tape runner and I run it across the bottom of the template and also just a tad up. So this is the back. Well, this is actually the front of your bag. So I don't line it completely to the edge of the Hershey Bar. I kind of leave a little bit of space. And then I'll take my tape runner and run it across here and also on the paper. Then I'll fold it over. Oh, I didn't fold it straight, but that's the back. Now we will take our glue gun and we are going to be placing our chain. So what I do is I take my glue gun and I place glue here and here, just in the corners. But before I do that, I usually take my tape runner and run it across the front. That way when I'm ready to close it, after I put this chain on, I don't have to go back and apply my adhesive. So I take my chain and just place it in the glue. And I'll do it to the other side. Then I'll close it up. And I'll press down in the corners where the glue was, just to make sure it's holding the chain in. And then I have my purse. Clutch, whatever you want to call it. Again, you can take your template, print your template blank. You can take any pattern paper, cardstock, trace your template on it and cut it out, so you don't need software to actually make these. These are very simple and cute. You can add little buttons and rhinestones. I don't have any up here, but You can add little buttons and rhinestones as, you know, on here to make it look like it's a closure. I gave it some little stitching. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tell your crafting buddies.
I said don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop, don't stop.